Open the outer box and take out the product and accessories in order. Before cleaning, please tidy up your home environment and remove any debris on the floor. Remove the foam padding from the top of the mop washing tray and install the station base plate. Place the station against a wall on a flat surface and ensure you leave an appropriate space around. Install the station corner guards. Connect the power cord and plug it in. Take out the clean water tank and add water. Before adding clean water, please check if the filter module at the bottom of the clean water tank is properly installed. Open the OmniStation front cover and take out the 2 containers for cleaning solutions. The left is for heavy-duty cleaning solution and the right is for ordinary cleaning solution. Pour the corresponding dedicated cleaning solutions into each container. After returning them to their original position, the DEEBOT will automatically select and dispense the appropriate cleaning solution into the clean water based on the scenario. Place the DEEBOT near the OmniStation and remove the bumper window film and bumper strip. For the first use, please download and install the ECOVACS Home app. After registering, log in. Open the app homepage. Tap Scan to connect, and follow the in-app instructions to begin Bluetooth pairing. After a successful connection, enter your home Wi-Fi account and password, and tap Next to begin network configuration. Once the network configuration is successful, you can name the robot, set the language and time zone, or set up your home environment. After the setup is complete, your smart life begins. Before use, please push the rear of the DEEBOT straight into the OmniStation. A white flashing light on the DEEBOT indicates a successful docking, and it will begin to charge. After charging is complete, you can create a map using voice commands. OK Eco.
I'm here.
Quick mapping.
OK, start quick mapping.
After the mapping is complete, the DEEBOT will return to the OmniStation, and you can view map of your home through the app. Through the app, tap Start to start your first cleaning. You can then use the drop-down menu to adjust cleaning preferences such as cleaning mode, suction power, and water flow rate. After all cleaning is complete, the DEEBOT will return to the OmniStation for auto empty, auto wash, hot air drying, and wait for your next use. When the DEEBOT detects that the dustbin is about to be full, the app will remind the user to empty the dustbin in time. After the first cleaning is complete, you can follow the app's guidance to enable the brand new Agent Eco and enjoy a fully intelligent, autonomous cleaning experience. Thank you for watching. Tap Help in the app settings to find more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, the world's largest home service robotics company,